Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Sivakkumar Tech. Today I am going to review number of items which I have purchased from Sunday market. So it is very cheap price, you can get number of the items which is required for your house purposes. Okay, I will show you. I will start the minimum rate which I have purchased, minimum amount, then I will go to the high price. Minimum price, this one insulation tape, it costs only 5 rupees, insulation tape. Okay, you can see. Next, this wire cutter costing only 20 rupees. The full set mobile connections, mobile pin connections costing only 20 rupees. .3G code. This mobile pin costing only 20 rupees. This mobile spare parts costing 20 rupees. This some fittings costing 25 rupees. This is aqua water purifier motor. I purchased for 150 rupees. It is heavy weight also. This one I will do some modification. This then rewinding 22 kg wire. Then the torque will be more actually. So I will use it for e-cycle purpose. Later on I will show you the video. You will find out my video. Now I will show you the drone which I purchased for 500 rupees. This is a remote. This is the drone, but it was having some problems which I have rectified. So here on off switch is there. You have to make it on. So this color shows red color. We have to record pairing the with the remote. Remote also, the on off switch is there. You have to press it. After pressing, this one both will pair. See the right now, it is paired. The color blue and yellow, you can see now. So just I will make it. The battery is weak now. Again I will charge. I will do it. Any 4 items 100 rupees I have purchased. In that you can see what are the items. One item costing only 25 rupees. So this is a mobile stand. Mobile stand. Some other fittings also available in this. Mobile stand. You can do it like this. This backside support also available. Next. This is a table clock. You can get it for 25 rupees. Seat belt. This one also 25 rupees. Mobile to HDMI connections. This cable also 25 rupees. ATA to SATA. This is power supply cable, 25 rupees. Some wall mounting fittings costing 25 rupees. This specs costing 25 rupees. This stainless steel cup is also 25 rupees. This one I will use it for salting iron, keeping for hot salting, and I can keep it in this. Camera cables 25 rupees. Some mobile cables 25 rupees. This triangle file costing 20 rupees. Multi screwdriver 8-in-1. This one costing 100 rupees. He told me 150 like that. After bargaining, I got for 100 rupees. This cover, this is the cover. This. In this, I put batteries, AAA size battery, 3 batteries. I can use it torchlight also while working for with the screwdriver purpose. If I use it, I can use it with torchlight. This is a nice one, costing 100 rupees. This lens with LED bulb costing 100 rupees. Battery I have put 2 AAA size batteries. This is on off switch, the bulb. One is this bulb, we can use it for currency note, original duplicate, all like that, infrared rays. By the rays we can find out. This one for this lens we can use it with LED bulb, costing 100 rupees. Okay friends, this much items only I have purchased. Thank you very much for watching my videos. If you like my video, please like it, comment it, share it, subscribe it, and press the bell icon so you can get the next video. With the number of video I am going to put in the Sivakkumar Tech. So please subscribe my Sivakkumar Tech channel. Thank you.